Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are going to talk about LightCam, a smart light bulb. Smart light bulbs are all the hype. So far we haven't seen anything like LightCam, though it is pretty much what it sounds like. Why install two smart home devices when you can just install one? Here to help you reduce clutter in perhaps a rather surprising way is the new LightCam, a smart light bulb that doubles as a home security camera. With this new device, installing a security system is as easy as screwing in the light bulb. LightCam is the smart security camera combined with smart light bulb that helps you stay connected to the things you care about. Without running wires, drilling holes, mandatory monthly fees, or sacrificing your privacy, you just plug it in, turn it on, and it works. This is a solution for everyone as it adjusts to any light fixture. Even apartment can now have a simple, affordable smart monitoring solution. You will get all the latest features built on a secure platform that puts you in a control. Designed to work alongside any standard light socket, the LightCam needs only to be placed in an existing light fixture in order to begin illuminating and monitoring your home or office space. Setup promises to be straightforward. Simply download the LightCam app, scan the QR code, screw it in the light bulb, and connect LightCam to your Wi-Fi network. From there, you should be able to monitor both your light and your home camera from anywhere in the world. The sleek and low-profile design allows the LightCam to blend in seamlessly with just about any lamp or lighting structure you may already have, and the bulb is hardly enough to be used both in and outdoors. Your LightCam comes with unique QR code. That means scan will associate the device with your LightCam account. That means whenever LightCam tries to connect to Wi-Fi, you will get a notification through the app asking if it's you. It means no one can use your registered LightCam without your permission. Thanks to the camera's infrared sensors, the LightCam is able to see up to 25 feet in the dark, and the 1080p HD camera gives user access to detailed image on their phone, tablet, or computer. Like any other smart camera, the LightCam comes with a motion detector, so if the bulb senses movement, it will send you a notification. There is also built-in speaker and microphone that allows you to speak with a guest. The LightCam is capable of recording around 7 days of rolling HD video thanks to its encrypted built-in storage capacity. And for more storage space, simply back up the camera to your phone, computer, or cloud storage solution like Dropbox, Google Drive, or more. The smart light bulb extends downward and rotates an entire 360 degrees, which means it ought to be able to accommodate nearly any lens angle, and with its unique patent pending lens skirt, the LightCam should be able to avoid lens glare even in enclosed glass light fixtures. You can get one for as low as $89 through the Indigo campaign. That would be 50% discount over the $179 estimated retail price, and it will be shipping in August. What do you think about this wireless LightCam? Would you ever buy one? Let us know in comment below. Check out our channel for more videos. If you find this video helpful in any ways, please share this video with anyone and everyone you believe may benefit from it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you right back here in very near future. Till then, goodbye.